Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Harith.
My name is Amira. My name is Elin.
My name is Harira.
Nature is the ultimate source of our living and non-living things, include nature and everyone, is interdependent, which help maintain the ecosystem. Plants, animal, and human all depend on nature for their survival. It supplies oxygen, sunlight, soil water, and other necessary components.
Cloud seeding is a scientific process that improves a cloud ability to make rain or snow, as well as control other weather. The technique, which experts also call weather modification, can be help in areas that don't have a big enough supplies of natural water. After cloud seeding precipitation, rain or snow will fall from the cloud onto the ground.
A cloud seeding can help in many ways, such as create more winter snowfall and lead to move mountain and ensures the natural water supply to communities.
Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment, causing adverse effects on living organisms and the natural world. They can be created by human activities such as trash or runoff produced by factories. These harmful materials are called pollutants. It can be natural such as volcanic ash.
Next, pollution is the largest environmental cause of disease and premature death. For example, air pollution can lead to a wide range disease, including stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
Climate change refers to significant long-term changes in the average weather patterns on Earth.
A natural disaster is the negative impact following an actual occurrence of natural hazard in the event that it significantly harms of community. The National Risk Index is designed to help communities understand their relative natural hazard risks and the impact they could expect during or after a disaster.
In disaster you face the danger of the death or physical injury. You may also lose your home, position or community. Such tragedies place you at risk for emotional and physical health problems. Stress reaction after disaster look very much like the common reaction seen after any type of trauma.
We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. So let's take care of this for future generations.